Hello, welcome to my crib. So, this is the inside of Reggie, but we do have this racking still here. I'll be taking all these out. We're going to have a fixed double bed raised up. Underneath will be storage basically for fishing gear. Overhead lockers will be over feet lockers up here, which will be our wardrobes, keep our clothes in and stuff like that. Then from here, we're going to have kitchen sink, hob, there'll be a window there, cupboards above there. Just can't wait to get started. Yeah! Hello, I'm Mick, in case you forgot. That's Nikki the camera lady, and this is Reggie 2.0, pretty much finished. A few little odds and sods to do, but we're done. In case you're wondering where I've been, because I put videos out constantly for over a year, and then I was just like, you know what it is, I got the van, I was going to film it, everything was taking too long, I just want to get out, use the van, and I was like, right, camera's down, get the van done, get it out the way, get it out my brain, and done. So I've taken a month or so off, and I've blasted through this and we've got it done. So I'll show you around, why not? Thanks to everyone, by the way, who's been subscribing since. There will be more stuff coming. Thanks to everybody who's been in touch still, and the people who've been asking where I am and stuff. It's very much appreciated. But anyway, less waffle, more van showing, and I don't even know where to start. Where you laughing at? Where do I start? Obviously I've got electricity. I think I had in the last one. We might as well start here. So I've got a cooker. I didn't have this in the last van. I got this from a subscriber called Paul Hammer. Thank you. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce your name. Thank you very much, mate. It's very much appreciated. It saved me a fortune. Got it all cleaned up and it's in. We've got the sink and we've got the gas hob. It's all plumbed in, all working. Love it. Thank you very much, Paul. Very much appreciated for that. Oh, just broke it. Sorry, Paul. Stop laughing at us. So I got that in. And then in here, could do with a lick of paint down here, but I have 2 water bottles. This is going to be my fresh. That's the waste because it's got waste written on it. Basically, little pump in there. You switch the tap on, it comes out, goes in there. You can waste, chuck it out. I wasn't going to go down the route of putting underslung water tanks and stuff in because it's expensive. Can't afford stuff like that. And then for the cooker, I've got a gas locker which I've installed in there, which Paul also gave me an empty 6 kilo propane gas tank. So that saved us money as well because I just went and exchanged that at the local place which does flow gas. So I've got a 6 kilo tank in there and brilliant. So then I've bought this IKEA top, put that on because I just wanted something thinner and light coloured. It was a bit heavy, but obviously I've cut a big circle out the middle of it, so it's a lot lighter now. I hand built all of this from scratch, just basic drawers and stuff, you know, with your cutlery and stuff and a box of matches just in case you want to light something. Basic stuff like that. The diesel heater's in there. I haven't plumbed that in yet. It's going to come out of this little box unit down here, which is a little storage unit. So that'll be in there. And then we've got a little, I don't know if you can scooch over there, Nikki. Got a little, I bought this. This is just for Nikki. So when you're sitting on here, your legs dangle. So it's just a little footstool for Nick. And she can keep all of her diary stuff and everything and whatever books she's reading and stuff in there. I don't read books because I prefer to watch the film. And obviously on my side, oh, I love this seat now. You can just put the seat back. I've got my table, which Nikki can use as well. If I want to put my feet on there, I can. Obviously not with these great big shoes on. I wouldn't normally have my shoes on in the van. I've made a right mess of the floor already today. But I can sit here, I can eat, I can edit, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, brilliant. So that's this part of the van. So we've got these 3 cupboards, which is above the cooker and sink area. This will probably have things like tea, coffee, cups and stuff. just basic stuff. I'm no joiner, but it's there. It's on the wall and it hasn't fallen off yet. Little switch here, just for the lights. I just wanted something that I can just flick on and off. Plus, it's a very tactile switch, so.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Mirror on the wall, so I can see who the fairest is of them all. I'll be Nikki, the camera lady. I've got 240 volts, which I run off I'm currently running the van off a power bank, so I've got one there. I've got 240 volts down there, so I can plug the laptop in as and when. I've got a USB down there. I've got USB up here. I've got a USB over here next to Nikki's seat, so she can charge her phone. What else have I got? I've got all these pictures. I haven't found pictures that I want in them yet, so hence I don't know who this child is. And I didn't make that hot. Yeah, I did. I made it for you, Nikki. Oh. Yes. So then this is the bed. Obviously, it's a bed. It's a raised bed. It's a full-size double. With these type of vans, I put a little recess in the bottom. I was going to do it in the top, but I found I didn't actually need it. So which is good because it's meant that the whole backboard is now smooth, and therefore I don't have to imagine if I'd put that on that size, that would be sort of getting in your back and whatnot. So that's smooth. Got reading lights in with USB chargers built in, which is brilliant. Obviously the other skylight there. People keep coming and having a look at my van and going, what's this? It's my little techie thing. I had it in the last van. This is the wardrobes. Got straight through for the wardrobes, all pine clad inside. It's like a sauna in there. So yeah, basically I've got this for the iPad. And what I do with it, I used it in the last van as well. It's like a little TV stand, just off Amazon. So you can put your iPad on there, like a telly. But then if you shut it up, you can just slot it in there. And then obviously watch your iPad whilst lying in bed. I love it. I just think it's a really class little gadget. So yeah, and then it just stays there. It's fine. So that's why I put the USB up here. So then I can just run a cable from there and make sure the iPad doesn't die whilst we're sitting there watching The Walking Dead or whatever in a creepy, scary place. So yes, we've got the fridge. I went for the Camper Cool. I think it's an 80. Oh, look at that dirt off my feet. It's an 80 or an 85 litre fridge. Excuse the paint down the side because I haven't cleaned that off yet and I've just realised. There's still the odd few snagging jobs, but yeah, that's a lovely fridge. Very big. It's got a freezer in the top so I can have me ice lollies. I can keep baiting it. Shh. I keep frozen worms and stuff like that, but don't tell Nikki. Oh, hiya. Yeah. So, great fridge. I just wanted, there was other ones that I was looking at, but I wanted, none of them had like a big sort of drawer on the bottom here. So you can put like a full 4-pinter of milk in. Not that I have milk, but Nikki likes milk in that cup has. Then under here is a toilet, which is a Trillino toilet. It's a compost toilet. I'm actually going to be doing a review on that, so I'm not going to go into too much about it. Actually, could you take that back a second, Nick? Yeah. What I've done under here, this is a cushion that I've just hidden in the blanket because it was the wrong colour. I've had it so you can take this off to use the loo. So we've got 3 compartments here. Toilet in the middle. You just pop that off, use the toilet, and then I can put all the stuff that you use for the toilet, like sprays. You have to have compost and stuff, like sort of either be cat litter or you can use wood shavings, coconut stuff, and all this whatever it is. I've never used one before, so it's going to be interesting to see if it stinks or not. For me, not for Nikki. She's terrified it's going to stink. So yes, we'll keep all the cleaning stuff in there. So yes, that's basically just a storage seat, and then this just goes on. This is actually the seat out of the last van. I just repurposed it, and then that just goes, I think, should just go plop, and it's in. Brilliant. So that's that done. Now the only other thing to really show you, I think, is the garage. Not a lot in there, but I'll show you anyway because, you know, be rude not to. Let's go. Right, so this is the garage. Basically, you've got the other end of the bed. What I'm going to put on here is I'm going to put a board on there, you know, so you can put your stickers on. So when I get like stickers off fellow YouTubers and when we go places, a bit like your fridge magnets, but it's going to be a sticker board. Why not? I've also got a little like a schematic picture that I got off my friend Mike, so that'll be going in here somewhere as well. It has all the sizes and stuff on of the van, which is really, really handy. So yeah, this is the van. I'll just put that back in there. All it is storage. I haven't decorated it or anything because it is just basically a garage. Obviously you've got the back of the fridge. There's loads of room in here. There is a light. I've just put a light in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but no, you can't. There is a light in there, trust us. And then over this side, I don't know if you can see, oh, my head, is my electrics. Now they are kind of in temporarily because I am going to be changing this to, excuse me, putting a lithium battery in. Currently running it off the AFRI P210, which I have a video on. I've got the 12 volt fuse panel. There's a double isolation switch there for the solar panels. There's also a fuse box there ready if I want to add 240 volts. The 12 volt fuse panel is plugged into the cigarette lighter on the power bank, and the power bank is running everything. And I've also got the sockets plugged in to the power bank as well. Right, I've come back inside here because it's too hot and sunny outside, I kind of think. So basically the power bank in there is temporary. It's running everything at the minute, which it's doing a great job. I could run the van off that, but I wanted a lithium battery, and EcoWorthy mentioned that they could send us one. And I said, yes, please, thank you very much. They have these new ones which are like fire retardant, have like smart stuff going on inside so you can watch it for your phone and all this sort of stuff. Ideal for this van, but I will be doing a review on that when it gets here. And it looks like a brilliant piece of kit, so I can't wait to get my hands on that. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update and tell you where I've been, what I've been up to, and give you a little look around Reggie. We can't wait to get away. If you're thinking, where's these curtains? Everyone's going to be watching them in bed. Yeah, no, I don't care. No, I'm just kidding. I've got these little sticky-on silver mat things that go on the window, which are not brilliant, but I did, just top tip here for you, if you ever do the camper van, leave room for curtains, because I didn't. So what I'm doing is I bought some curtains. My mum's busy sewing them up for us, and I'm just going to have some pop studs along the top, and I can slide it along behind there, pop stud it in. It'll have a split in the middle so I can get the front if I need to, and that'll be it. It's only for evenings or if I need to go to the loo or whatever like that. Or if Nick wants to go to the loo as well, you know, she can use the curtains too. I'm not, you know.
Greedy.
I'm not greedy, that's right, aye. And I don't know what I'm talking about. I also need to make a little curtain or a cover for the rear window as well. But other than that, he's usable. We can get away. So yeah, exactly. So I'm hoping that very, very soon we shall be going away. Well, I know for a fact I'm going away next week. And just for a couple of days, we're just going to take it away, make sure everything works, does everything I needed to do. And then, yeah, then I think I'm going to head up to Scotland the following week and see if I can get some fishing done. So anyway, thanks again. Like, subscribe, do all the sexy stuff if you want to see us doing our little adventures in Reggie. And I think Nicky's just said I'm going for a pint. So why not? Because it's sunny as out. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Toodle pip. Bye.